All right, guys, we're here. Look at all the Halloween stuff. Oh, that.
Hey guys, so I'm taking you to Home Goods today. This is a different Home Goods than I usually go to, so I was excited to see if things would be different here. They had a decent selection. I was actually pleasantly surprised. I was actually really shocked that they had mostly Christmas things. There was a lot of fall things, but it looked like they were already starting to put all the Christmas stuff out. So you can see some of the shelves are kind of bare, but it was fine. I wasn't looking for anything crazy. I did end up scoring this gorgeous gold pumpkin. Every year they have these gorgeous pumpkins, and I usually don't like to buy one every year. I only buy the ones that I think are really special. I did, if you see in the background, that green felt one. I did see those last season as well, so those are back, the jewel toned ones, which are really beautiful. I really like those. But I didn't feel like spending a lot of money, so I was like, you know what, let me just grab the one that I really love. So I ended up grabbing that gold pumpkin. I love these glass pumpkins as well. I think they're so unique and so pretty. And again, a lot of teal, blues, mint colors. Those were really popular like 2017, 2018, and they might still be popular. I also loved this one at the bottom shelf here. I think I'm going to go down to it in a second, but there was like a realistic looking one in that teal greenish color that I thought was really beautiful as well. Just some really cute ones with different sayings and stuff like that, if that's what you're into. I also noticed a lot of gnomes again this season, even more than before. So that was really interesting, and there was a section that they had a lot of like Christmas looking gnomes that I thought were really cute. I'll show those in a second as well. I also noticed a lot of signs for Christmas and fall, a lot of different kind of types of decor, snow globes, different signs, a lot of, like I said, gnomes, a lot of berries, a lot of cute things. Also, they had ornaments already. I was shocked. I love these little Santa Claus plates. I thought they were so cute. So here are those different decorations I was telling you guys about. A lot of like rats, like princess rats in tutus, and gnomes in tutus, and like just different little stuffed animals and things of that nature. I also really loved all of these unique ornaments. I didn't want to get ornaments yet. As you can see, there's also some really cute like ballerina nutcrackers that I thought were just adorable. Also these like Santa mermaid figurines, which were so cute and unique and really fun if you're doing something campy or doing like a ocean themed Christmas tree, which I've wanted to do for many years. Soon I'll do it. One of these years coming up, I'll do it. If you guys can guess my theme for this year, leave it in the comments. This little box thing, I decided to pick this up because although I didn't want to buy Christmas things, I thought this was one of those unique pieces that I really liked. And I didn't end up getting this one with the red. I ended up getting another one that had like glittery pine cones on top. This one was broken when I got to the line, but I did grab one. Really affordable. I thought it was something unique instead of just getting ornaments, because I feel like I could get ornaments in November. And I thought this was so cute. So let me know if you can guess my theme based on that. I also noticed a lot of unique ornaments. So here we have like this cat in a Santa hat, some plaid print. There's also like this little toy soldier made in Italy little ornament. I ended up picking up those as well. So that's another hint. Let me know if you guys can guess my theme. I grabbed some of those because I thought those were really unique and they probably wouldn't be available closer to Christmas time. So I was like, let me just grab those now. I only grabbed a few. I also grabbed this one with all of the little, I don't even know, they look like candies stacked up. I grabbed that one as well. I loved the pink pumpkins. Every year they have these gorgeous glass pumpkins. pink, opal, all these different shades of like pink and gold, and they're just gorgeous. This I thought would be such a cute gift. It's a little honey canister, as well as like I guess a creamer canister. I thought that would be really cute as a gift. And then I thought I showed you guys the Disney stuff, because I know a lot of people love that. They had a lot of like honey themed products. I guess people are really into bees right now. This I absolutely fell in love with, this gold and white flatware, well, plates and things like that. I ended up grabbing some of this as well. So beautiful, and it's microwave safe, dishwasher and microwave safe. For the price, I was like, oh yes, I need that. A lot of times I'll see like beautiful things, but I don't grab it because if it's not microwave safe, I know they don't get used. And these are, so that was such a pleasant surprise. This little guy was so cute. I just wanted to put like a cupcake in it and just leave it on display. I don't know what you would use that for besides a party. These little stands for tiny little pastries and things, but they are so beautiful. You could also put like a single rose in there as like a little Beauty and the Beast kind of vibe. So gorgeous, just so gorgeous. I also love these candlestick holders if you're into the glam vibes. They were really heavy, a little bit expensive, $16.99 for one, but they were extremely heavy. How fancy do you have to be for one of those in your house? Well, these would be nice for a wedding, though. Mm-hmm. If we were getting married again? Oh, yeah, let's see. Babe, guess how much you think they are. Let's play a game. Guess.
60.
60. Okay, I'm gonna say 70. No, I'm gonna say 80. Let's see who's right. Check the bottom. $79.99. I was right. If we were on a game show, I would win. I was right. $80. Yeah. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think those are really beautiful too. If you spray paint them gold or just leave them like that, that is a really cool little gift or decor piece for a wedding or a party. Look how cute this is. This is a little brie cheese baker. Who needs this? Ridiculous. Oh, we need a can opener. Oh. See if they have one, babe. Yeah. Thank God I remembered. What the fuck is this? If 2 + 2 is 4, and 5 + 5 is 10, what the fuck is this? I'm sorry. Why would you want a $4,000 realistic deer statue? It's just I'm grabbing these giant pillows for my couch just because I just want some nice, big, basic, fluffy pillows to make the couch feel super cozy. And I'm kind of tired of the patterned ones I have, so I'm going to give those a break and probably put them away till spring. These clocks are so cool. They're like Art Deco. Oh, this mirror is really cute. I want this. It's like very Art Deco. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that shop with me video. There will be a haul coming up, so stay tuned. Make sure your notifications are on. Subscribe to my channel to watch and see what I actually picked up and brought home. Thank you for watching. I love you.